Hi, today I have very cool old padlock for you guys. It's this Anchor 350 45mm Skillstuna. I think this is town in Sweden, and it's pretty old. I think used Anchor lock padlock, and here's the key. It's a 5-pin key, but come on, focus. It's nothing special for the beading. It's sorry, I'm hitting the camera. First one is a pretty short one. Sorry, fifth one is a pretty short one, and nothing special on everything on other pins. This is a EMP on this side, and on this side is Anchor. Pretty used key, and it's working very nice, springy, but as usual I'm expecting a lot of security pins for every Swedish lock, but this one is for low security purposes, so it's without any security pins. But not only that, it's like it's yeah, that's how I pick it, this one. I did not even pick it, so I put my tension tool in from till the fifth pin, and I'm just going through, not going, just doing nothing. So it's very hard to show you how I did it, but I think I'm just putting the pick in and it's open. That's how easy it is. I know that I think my deforest diamond is, I can match it like this, but yeah, without security pins it is what it is. But it's a cool looking padlock, it's cool looking Anchor lock made in Sweden. Yeah, some of the locks are like that, so it is what it is. So guys, thanks for watching, have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.